everyone know, PowerPlatform is one of the top and very well-known product on the market as a leader on low-code, no-code technologies in the world. My organization goals is to try to automate all processes and manual processes on the daily task and repetitive task, and where is any manual process need to be automated. So we are targeting to automate and to eliminate all those manual efforts and to be automated, and that will give us more benefits, and we're going to be aligned with my organization strategy and vision.
So after the training, we got to know how to utilize Microsoft Power Platform as one of the product in our intelligent automation product suites in order to automate the business process and create the apps and portals to satisfy business needs.
Upskilling the staff is very important because it's going to be aligned with my organization strategy. So we get Power Platform, and we need the different resources from different teams, different backgrounds, like developers, professional developers, citizen developers, architecture, to be aligned with the products. That will speed up the process for the implementation on the organization.
We know there is an application which is called desktop flows in Power Platform, but we didn't know how to use it. So after the training, we came to know how to efficiently use it and how to configure it. So this is one thing which I would like to highlight over here.
So one of the use cases we started with the email part, like capturing the workflow. Whatever the emails comes into the email box, we capture it and automate it to specific or any task to be assigned. So that process we started is like a use case, it's like a pilot project we started.
One of the feedback I got it from my staff regarding the training, it was they liked the way how the Spectrum, they organized the training, and they provided a very educated trainer. They enabled our team for the product, and we are now ready to start developing applications.
See, the training from Spectrum, we were having different trainings from Spectrum for the Power Platform. So I would say the training was organized well because they were following the Microsoft syllabus intact.
Basically, my organization tried to implement something called Center of Excellence for Power Platform. So based on the training courses we got it from Spectrum Networks, we are going to build a set of teams on different skills on different divisions and departments, and that will enable the project pipelines and streamline our processes for building projects using Power Platform.
Yeah, I am well confident on implementing the Power Platform because through the training we got the concepts, we got the ideas and all. And as a solution architect in my organization, I think we have to start implementing the tools for different, because we have different project requirements. So we need to evaluate how we can fit Power Platform into those requirements.
So now I have a full confidence because after this training, because the trainer gave how to use from the start, from where to start, and so all this like flow wise. So now I have a confidence to use it in the Microsoft Cloud Platform in my business requirements, and I think I can able to deliver in quite short time.